How is it, Monday, people? Welcome back to Sidey's vlog. We are back with another reaction video today, and before getting into the reaction, both of us would love to thank our new friends who have become part of Sidey's family. Thank you so much. And we are actually talking about the reaction that we had done on Aman Kalakar. That was the first reaction on one of his songs, and we have got a very good response. Thank you so much. Stay connected with us, guys, so that we can entertain you with more good videos as well. So having said that, the video that we are going to work on today is again from Young Stunner. Okay, so we have become so addictive to his songs here, right, Silas?
Absolutely. I think one is we have become addictive to whatever they do, but more than that, I think the comments that's floating around in our inboxes and in our comment section, I think it's all about Young Stunners. But that is not the reason that we are reacting. The primary reason is because they are a brilliant talent and we are loving what they are doing. So our last reaction was on Afsane. So if you have not watched it, we will link it down in the description box. Do watch it, guys. So even if you're not a Young Stunners fan or whoever you are, right, you could be a fan of MC Stan or Anyway or anybody. But do watch it. It's a beautiful song. You will love it, and that is what we believe, right? So, with that, let's get into the reaction, guys. This song is
Guma.
Young Stunners again, guys. Woo! Anjum. Ah, 90s feel, man. Slow start with the piano.
माफी तलाफी की काफी पराई काम नहीं जी आप वो लेती मेरा नाम नहीं pills pop I let the weed smoke sometimes just talking does not make the pain go तू ही आग तू ही उस पे पड़ती बारिश मैं वो खाली हवेली जिसकी तू अकेली वारिस तू ही छाँव तू ही धूप रंगों के साथ रूप तू जितनी खूबसूरत उससे कहीं ज्यादा दूर मैं लिखना छोड़ दूं जो तेरे बारे मैं कलम तोड़ दूं और तू स्याही में बसा रहे हंसा रहे जमाने को खुद से परेशान वो पढ़ती थी किताबें मैं पढ़ता हूँ इंसान इंसान भी क्या चीज है एक में वफा नहीं और दूसरे को वफा की उम्मीद है इंसान भी क्या चीज है मैं कल गुजरा फिर उधर से तो याद आई चीजें तेरा नंबर नहीं है You left the city and you're gone बात करने को है बस ये माइक्रोफोन वही कागज वही कलम लहजे सख्त दिल नरम बदबख्त बस करो उदासी हर तरफ झूठे तेरे भरम किस बात पे तू बरहम पर हम क्यों अभी stuck like a jam on a one way but someday तू समझ जाएगी दूर होके हमसे कि हम में वो करार नहीं पहले वाली बात नहीं तुझे किया आजाद या दी है खुद को सजा लेकिन दिल के मोहल्ले में अब तेरा मकान नहीं आज फिर तू आई नहीं याद तेरी आई थी बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी आज फिर तू एक गुमान आज फिर तू शायरी सोचा था तू आएगी तोड़ के वो रस्में सारी दुनिया की रिवायती But God damn it girl आज फिर तू आई नहीं याद तेरी आई थी बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी राजी दिल तो रजामंदम क्यों नहीं टापी पिल गाने लिखे ये शऊर भैया आजिज़ी है बागी इसको कहते हम गुरूर नहीं दिले मगरूर तू भी खूब तो आराम देना सूद फिर I'm just a text away इतना भी दूर नहीं feels like yesterday तू ही ज़वाल मेरा तू ही है उरूज ए लोगों से पूछे कलम लिखता झूठ नहीं गम देकर दिला से कैसे तसल्लियाँ तो दुनिया में तमाशे कैसे हम आज भी कहते ना कोई रकीब ना हरीफ हम थे गरीब न जाने काटी हैं वो रातें कैसे कलम छोड़ या कलम तोड़ा वजन तोल नहीं हजम शोर ये हजम खोज तू सुरंग खोद तराजू ही नहीं जो तोलेगा ये डजन बोल तू रकम सोच इन लफ्जों की आजा जख्म तोल इंसान भी क्या चीज है, एक
this
में
line.
वफा नहीं और दूसरे को वफा की उम्मीद है।
Yeah.
इंसान भी
Very
क्या
true.
चीज है, झूठ की सजा नहीं तो तोहमतें लगाने पे अड़ील है। तू जैसे रहमत, तू ही हूर, तू ही नूर, कोई नूर, तू ही साया, तू ही धूप, तू फितूर, ये फतूर। तू इतनी खूबसूरत के मैं लिखने पे मजबूर, बादल सिराना क्योंकि दूर तूने तो आना नहीं, खुद कुछ जमाना ये एक गाना कोई फसाना नहीं, लिख दे अफसाने तुझ पे लेकिन आज फिर तू आई नहीं, याद तेरी आई थी, बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी।
Okay. And this is so
आज फिर
deep.
तू एक गुमान, आज फिर तू शायरी, सोचा था तू आएगी तोड़ के वो रस्में सारी दुनिया की रिवायती, but God damn it girl आज फिर तू आई नहीं, याद तेरी आई थी, बेवजह ही बेवफा से बेपनाह उम्मीद जो लगाई थी।
Oh man.
Man.
Guys, this song Guman really touched my heart. It just really literally made me emotional, people, because it is really complicated here, this lyrics, guys. I think you really have to get really deep down into the lyrics, then you'll be able to understand, guys, because somewhere I feel that there is a connection with the song Afsane that we had reacted just before this, right, from the Youngsters again. So yeah, I think let's hear it from Sailesh.
Few things, right? So one, again, beautiful videography, the way it was shot, the look, the starting with the old 90s kind of a gramophone kind of music, right? So that was like touching. So I think nobody would skip this song because of the sheer quality that it brings in. But to decode, right, I would like to do that, like Dimple said, right? So there is some element of Afsane in this song, and so we could be wrong, right? Because so what we feel is it is a continuation story of Afsane, right? So this guy still has that in him, saying that, okay, I did everything right, but she didn't understand me. Where did I go wrong, kind of thing. So he is still fighting within himself, whereas Tala Yunus is coming and telling her side of the story, right? So you never try to explain about what didn't go well for you, but this guy is assuming that she might know. So that is a very difficult scenario for in every relation, right? So we expect people to know, we assume that they know, but the reality could be very different, and we don't talk to each other. So that is the problem with the world. If we solve this, I think we will be in a much better place.
It also has given a very good message to all of us, man, really.
Yeah, we need to talk to each other, guys. Don't assume, don't presume. Guman is basically Azam.
Really?
Yeah. So this is just our thinking, right? So we could be wrong. I could be wrong, she could be wrong. But I could relate, right? The way it was shot, the way this guy was venting out, still unhappy with whatever is happening. Why is she not responding to me? I think a brilliant story, guys. You know what I mean, right? So if you guys are watching this and we could decode this, man, I could talk about like 15 minutes on this topic. We could do that. If you want, comment it. But with that, if somebody is new to the channel, do subscribe, do comment, and thank you for all the love and support, guys. All of you, whoever is watching.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.